Set up, the support team was really helpful in getting us set up and figuring out what we needed to do with our electricity and settings. It's working good now. We're real happy with it. We just use it right now to mark these barrels for our sprinklers, and it works pretty fast. We had a different laser before that wasn't as fast, and so we decided to get this one that works fast, and we like that. So I think this takes about 45 seconds. Our last laser would take about 5 minutes. So it's a big time savings. There we got from India that we're real happy with. Mark a barrel here. So the support team I was very happy with, and it was real easy to work with them. They were able to connect with the computer over Wi-Fi and run some trials and help us figure out the settings and figure out what was wrong when it wouldn't work initially. We had just had an issue with the power supply being different in the US versus India, and we were able to just flip a switch inside once we knew that and got it shut down and started back up. It's working well now. It only takes about 45 seconds. Our old machine would take about 5 minutes, so that's a big reason why we went with this machine, was to be faster. And it's pretty good quality. It's almost done here, and we can show you what it looks like on one of our products.